The WG-015 is an impressive all-in-one tool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This 8-inch wire stripper crimper is a true workhorse, offering a range of features that make it an essential addition to any toolkit. First and foremost, the wire stripping function is precise and efficient. The tool features multiple notches for different wire gauges, ensuring a clean and accurate strip every time. Whether you're working with fine wires or thicker cables, the WG-015 has you covered. The wire crimping mechanism is equally impressive, providing a secure and reliable connection. It's compatible with various crimping connectors, making it versatile for different projects. But the WG-015 doesn't stop there. It also functions as a wire cutter, offering a sharp and durable blade that can easily handle most wiring tasks. The tool's ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, reducing hand fatigue. One of the standout features is its multi-functionality. With a simple twist of the wrist, you can switch between stripping, crimping, and cutting modes, making it incredibly convenient for on-the-go projects. The tool's compact size and lightweight design make it highly portable, perfect for carrying in a tool belt or bag. In terms of build quality, the WG-015 excels. It's constructed with durable materials, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of regular use. The handles provide a secure grip, even when working with slippery wires or in wet conditions. Overall, the WG-015 is an exceptional value for any professional or hobbyist. Its versatility, precision, and durability make it a top choice for anyone looking for a reliable and multifunctional wiring tool. Whether you're an electrician, a DIY enthusiast, or a hobbyist, this tool will become an indispensable part of your toolkit.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.